Hello everyone! Today, let's look at the Tabby 36 in full grain leather. This bag is an iconic statement piece, but it's truly made for everyday carry. First, let's talk about the leather. Many other brands sand down their leather to hide marks and mistakes. But Coach leaves this leather completely natural because they only select the best quality. Because of this, every single bag is unique. No two bags are exactly the same, and each one has its own special grain pattern. When you touch it, it feels completely smooth, almost like butter. The shape of this bag is not stiff, it is very soft and slouchy, which gives it a relaxed look. The sides are very smart. When you fill the bag, the sides open up wide, almost like an accordion. It grows to fit your things. So the bag comes with a detachable shoulder strap. I love this strap because it is thick and feels wonderfully squishy. It is made from two pieces of leather sewn together, so it feels very comfortable on your shoulder. The hardware or metal parts done on this bag are very clean and simple. The iconic C hardware is a push pin closure, so it's very easy to open and close the bag. Meanwhile, the strap uses a dog leash clips. You can take the strap off easily and the clips turn around freely so the strap never twists. Take a look at the compartment. Inside, the bag has two main sides. They are separated by a big zipper pocket in the middle. This middle pocket is large enough to hold a long wallet. There is also an easy access pocket in front for your phone or whatever essentials you want to grab quickly. Just in case you're wondering, this is a size comparison between the 36 and the Tabby 26. Overall, the Coach Tabby 36 is the ultimate statement piece for your daily life. It is beautiful, relaxed, and made for daily use. Thank you for watching, and see you next time!